which is the greatest commandment? Love God with all your heart, with all your being, and love your neighbor as yourself. Everybody knows this. We all understand what love is, although differently according to our experiences, according to our stories, and yet we know love. And it is clear that this is the reason for the coming of the Lord, to show us how to love God and to love one another. And so timely that the gospel talks about love as we prepare to celebrate tomorrow the solemnity of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Because the Sacred Heart of Jesus is nothing else but love. Doon sa mga hindi sapat kung ano ang naririnig tungkol sa pag-ibig, sa kamahal-mahalang puso ni Jesus, nakikita kung ano ang pag-ibig. Sugatan, subalit nagmamahal. Duguan, subalit nagmamahal. Pinahirapan, subalit nagmamahal. Nagsasakripisyo dahil sa pagmamahal. There are many things that we can say about the heart of Jesus. But since the gospel talks about love, let us just say that this love of the Sacred Heart is sacrificial love, reminding us that no love is genuine without sacrifice. No love is genuine without sacrifice. Ang marunong magmahal, marunong magsakripisyo. So what is it about sacrifice that it becomes essential to a love that comes from God? Again, marami tayong pwedeng sabihin tungkol sa sakripisyo, pero ito lang sabihin natin. When we sacrifice, we express the value to whom, for whom we make the sacrifice, no? Whether we sacrifice for God or for another person, it is an expression of how much we value God or that person. Mahalaga ka, kaya kaya kong magsakripisyo para sa iyo. It is an expression of value. Kasi sinasabi natin, sino ka ba? Bakit ako magsasakripisyo para sa iyo? Because that person or is not valuable to us. Bakit ko sasayangin yung energy ko sa iyo? Di ka naman mahalaga. So that is what sacrifice is. And by the same sacrifice, we express our desire to be united for whom we do the sacrifice. Kaya tayo nagsasakripisyo kasi mahalaga at gusto nating maging isa sa Kanya. And that is what love is all about. When we talk about love of God, we sacrifice as our expression of God's great value in our lives and our desire to be in communion with God. Kaya nga tayo gumigising ng maaga para makapagsimba. Yung ibang tao tulog pa. Tayo nandito na. Nagsakripisyo na. Ako nakapagpakumpisal na. because we value God, we value going to Mass, and by Holy Communion, we desire our union with God. This is what love is all about. And at the heart of our Christian life, the greatest commandment: love for God and love for one another. Just remember, true love knows sacrifice. Amen.